Okay, today I'd like to create a data sheet for my survey data. I open up under File a new data sheet, okay? I've opened up that new data sheet. It's completely blank. I can start by entering numbers in here, but I think I'd rather go to the data view in SPSS. I'm sorry, the variable view. I was in the data view. Now I'm in the variable view. Now I'm going to start creating variables. My first variable I think I'll call person, okay? My second variable I think I might call gender. My third variable I might call attitude. Okay, now notice automatically SPSS fills this in for me. I'm going to leave all of these numeric, but I'm going to come in here under values, and here under gender I'm going to tell SPSS that a 1 is female and a 2 is male. Okay, that way I'm all set. Under attitude I'm going to tell SPSS that a 1 is strongly disagree. A 2 is disagree. A 3 is neutral. A 4 is agree. And a 5 is strongly agree. As you can see, that took me a little while to do. But now I've got it in here, and this is actually something that I can copy to other variables. Here, so I've got attitude, I might call this one happy, I might call this one angry. Oh, excuse me, angry right here. And what I can do is I can take this right here, I can copy this and paste it in here, so that now I've already got these Likert scale variables set for me. Okay? This will help you save you a little bit of time, because you may have 10 or 15 questions that all come from the same scale. Now I've got them. Now I can go back to my data view, and here's person. I've got person number 1, person number 2. Whoops. I'm just going to give these people numbers so that if I need to go back later, I can refer to them. Okay, I've got a female, 3 males. How's that? Now this person's attitude was pretty good. And I'm just pulling these off of the survey. Maybe it was a paper and pencil survey. Maybe you got your results electronically. But this person was not happy. This person was also somewhat angry. Okay. Or I'm sorry, these are 5 different people. What am I thinking? My 5 people were not happy. Let's assume we're having class at 6 o'clock and no one's had dinner. And in fact, my 5 people are all quite angry. But their attitude's pretty good. That's why they're there. They're willing to learn. Okay, here we go. Now, first of all, you'll have a lot more people than this, and every person has his own line. You'll also have a lot more columns than this. Every question has a column. This is my demographic question. You'll probably have 5 or 6 of these. These are my actual survey questions, my Likert scale questions, and you could have 10 or 15 of these. Now, what if I want to get an overall feeling for what's going on here? I can actually come in and transform and compute a new variable. This transform allows me to compute a variable that's a combination of my other variables. I could compute a variable that is a combination of attitude, happy, and angry. Think about this for just a second. Does this make sense? If a person's happy, they score high on the happy scale. Are they likely to score low on the angry scale? So I need to go through and I need to change these variables. We'll do that in the next little video. I'll call that computing and transforming variables. In the meantime, you can get your data entered into the data set and start looking at what came about as a result of your survey.